Hello, my dear students. How are you? You are fine? Very good. Very good. So, today we shall take next lesson. Lesson number 4. What is the name of that lesson? A string song. A string song. Now, here I will read. Form groups of 8 to 10 children each to play this game. How many children should we need? 8 to 10 children. Okay. Let us see how is this game. String, do you know string? Dora. String means Dora. Rassi. String. That string it is. The first child says, now here see, first child, second child and third child. Three children are there and they are playing the game. Let us see what does first child say. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. That's what I got. See, first child says that I went to market, and from market what did he bring? What did he buy? He bought. What did he buy? He bought some red shiny apples. That's what I got. First child here, red apples. Can you see? Yes. Now second child. The second child adds something. Again second child is adding. I went to market. Do you know what I bought? What did he buy? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread. Yes, what did he bring? What did he buy? He bought shiny apples and a loaf of bread. Yes, now he is adding now. Now third child. The third child adds one more thing. I went to market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils. That's what I got. Yes. What did the third child buy? Yes. Yes. Some red shiny apples, then a loaf of bread, and what did he added? Pack of color pencils. What did he buy? Pack of color pencils. Now in this way, here three children are mentioned. Again, you can take 8 to 10 children, and in this way, every child repeats the correct order what others have said and adds something new on his own or her own. In this way, every child has to add something new every time. The game continues up to last child. You may use examples given here, or you may use your own ideas also. Here examples are given here. String of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, yes, a big jar of honey, and then a sack of gram flour, a pack of liquid soap, then some juicy ripe mangoes, a pair of blue bangles. Yes, these words are given here. You can add it. How will you have to play this game? Again, one time I will tell you how you have to play this game. There are 8 to 10 children. Okay, in this game. First children, he will say, I have bought shiny red apples. Then second child, he will add one more thing in it. I have bought a loaf of bread. Yes, what did he add? A loaf of bread. Then the third child, I have bought a pack of color pencils. See how they are saying. But every time they have to say from the beginning. I have bought, miss, I went to market. Do you know what I bought? I bought some shiny apples, shiny red apples. Then I miss a big loaf of bread. Then pack of color pencils. Then again some more you can add from your mind for the fourth child, for the fifth child, for the sixth child, for the 7th child, for the 8th child, for the 9th child, for the 10th child. One by one you can add. Now here one, you can add here 4th child. How will he say 4th child? I went to market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, and a string of white flowers. That's what I got. That's what I got. In this way, you can play this game by using this many ideas. Okay, and without making any mistake. Yes, and till the last child, this game will go, and you will have to see who will win. Okay, so up to here, it is the game. In a homework, you write this page, okay, and send me on WhatsApp. You are not sending, you have to send me. Okay, till then, bye bye.